In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. We're going to use a 21mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. On the sway bar link, I'm going to take some locking pliers on the back just to prevent the stud from spinning. Tighten those up, lock that down. You can clean that up with a wire brush if it's really rusty. Use a little rust penetrant. Using a 18mm socket, take this nut off. And take that nut off, and pull that out. Take the locking pliers off. Now at the bottom, I'm going to take some locking pliers, and just go on the back side. And just lock that down, just so the stud doesn't spin. Tight. I'm just going to use some rust penetrant just to soak down the threads. It's a little bit rusty. Using a 18mm wrench, loosen this up. Once it's loose, you can use a socket. Take that nut off, and you can pull the sway bar link right out. Take the new link, get that started in the sway bar, get the nut started. I'm going to use a 21mm wrench on the stud. And tighten down the nut. Tighten that down. Now we're going to torque this nut to 72 foot-pounds. Alright, that's good. I'm just going to use a pry bar under the sway bar just to raise it up a little, just to line that stud up, get that through, and get the nut started. I'm going to use an 18mm wrench on the stud just to prevent it from spinning, and I'll tighten this down. And torque this to 72 foot-pounds. Good. Now I'll put the wheel on. Get the lug nuts started. snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.